The transcription and captioning industry offers flexible income opportunities for detail-oriented individuals with strong language skills. Beginners typically start on platforms like Reverend or Scribby, where transcriptionists earn $0.30 $1.50 per audio minute, while captioners transcribe video dialogue for $0.50 $2.00 per minute. These platforms provide steady work but pay lower rates. Building direct client relationships with podcasters, universities, or video agencies can increase earnings to $3 to $5 per minute. Specializing in legal or medical transcription requires certification but commands premium rates. Court reporters often earn $50,000 plus annually using stenography machines for real-time transcription. Success hinges on mastering tools and workflows. Invest in noise-canceling headphones and transcription software like Express Scribe that supports foot pedals for hands-free playback control. Use text expanders, Breevy or Text Expander, for common phrases, and can autocorrect time, saving thousands of keystrokes daily. For captioning, platforms like Caption Max provide specialized software that synchronizes text with video frames, while AI tools like Descript help generate rough drafts that require human polishing. Accuracy standards are stringent. 98% is the industry minimum for most platforms. Develop a systematic approach: first pass for general content, second pass for verbatim accuracy, including filler words like when required, and final proofreading for formatting consistency. Medical transcribers must learn HIPAA compliance and terminology, abbreviations like SOB for shortness of breath, while legal work demands knowledge of Latin phrases, pro se, and proper exhibit numbering. Captioning adds technical complexity. YouTube's automatic captions achieve only 80 to 90% accuracy. Professionals correct homophone errors, their versus there, add speaker labels, and insert sound descriptions. Door creaks, for accessibility compliance, FCC/ADA standards. SDH, subtitles for the deaf and hard of hearing, requires positioning captions to avoid covering on-screen text or faces. Timecoding is critical. Each caption block should display for 2 to 6 seconds and contain no more than 2 lines of 32 characters each. Marketing your services directly bypasses platform middlemen. Create a portfolio showcasing different formats, interview transcripts with timestamps, closed captions with sound effects, and target niche clients. Podcasters need show notes with keywords for SEO, while corporate clients require SRT files for multilingual subtitling. Offer rush services, 24-hour turnaround, at 1.5x rates. Many video producers pay premiums when facing deadlines. The industry is evolving with AI, but human editors remain essential. AI-generated transcripts still miss accents, crosstalk, or technical jargon. Position yourself as a quality control expert who fixes these errors. Some transcribers now specialize in AI training, correcting datasets used for speech recognition models at $25 to $50 per hour. Top performers treat transcription as a skilled profession, not just data entry. They track productivity, aim for 4x audio length, a 1-hour file in 15 minutes, invest in continuous learning, medical terminology courses, and diversify income with related services like translation or audio editing. While entry-level work is competitive, specialized transcribers can build six-figure businesses by combining platform work with high-value direct clients.